Title for everybody out there. Good tune. Those giant steps. Y'all have a request? I don't know. It don't matter to me. All right, then we're gonna surprise you. Here's a song off of the Zapatos en la Mano CD for everybody out there. Something entitled ¿Qué cosas hizo Dios? No lo más. Hizo Dios, imposible olvidar esa bella fatal. Mira nomás qué chulada de mujer, como quisiera ser el mero rey de su placer. Tú me sacaste de onda cuando te vi pasar ayer con tu sonrisa. Supiste cautivar, tú eres el adiós que jamás sabré decir. Con tus amores yo sería muy feliz, mamacita. Mira nomás qué cosas hizo Dios. Pero mira nomás, qué chulada de mujer. Ay, mira nomás, qué cosas hizo Dios para mí. Cosas hizo Dios, imposible olvidar esa bella fatal. Mira nomás qué chulada de mujer, como quisiera ser el mero rey de su placer. Me sacaste de onda cuando te vi pasar ayer. Con tu sonrisa me supiste cautivar. Eres el adiós que jamás sabe decir. Con tus amores yo sería muy feliz, mamacita. Mira nomás qué cosas hizo Dios, pero mira nomás qué chulada de mujer. Mira nomás qué cosas hizo Dios para mí. Ay, mira nomás qué cosas hizo Dios para mí. Oh, yeah. Just call me. Hey, Pancho.
All right. Get it once again for Joe Posada. All right. Hey, no se vayan muy lejos. We've got more music for you, of course. El Dorado Eagle Pass is going to come and close out the night. Adam Hayes, Tejano, Tejano, 98.9 FM, the all-new 92.1. Don't forget to check out my Sunday night show. If you like what you're listening to tonight, that's what you can hear on my Sunday night Tejano Throwback Show on KLMO Tejano, 98.9 FM. And the all-new 92.1. If you're from in town or out of town, make sure to download the app. It's gratis and take Tejano wherever you go. I got a good friend right here on stage with me. I'm going to let him introduce himself and talk a little spill.
Oh yeah, how y'all doing? It's hanging out this nice San Antonio. How you feeling tonight? Hey, I know it's kind of chilly, I know it's kind of cold, but I'm Uncle Earl. I'm here with KLMO, and you know, I can take care of that coldness right now. Those of you who ain't got no clothes on, I got t-shirts right over there. Right over there, $10 t-shirts, and I promise you it will warm you up. Once again, I want to gracias para todos desde San Antonio, de más música. Yeah, I speak Spanish. Yeah, that's right. I'm Tejano through all the way to my bone. But once again, guys, I'm Uncle Earl. Please make your way over. I hope you're enjoying this Tejano Explosion 2022. Are you having a good time? Oh, I love it, I love it, I love seeing y'all. We are San Antonio, and once again, if you're cold, come see me and I got some.